Change this inducer motor here, guys. That's not very good. It's pretty rough in there. Here's another issue. I think it's cracked. Oh, motor. It's cracked right here. Well, can't put the new one in on this one. Need a collector box, a new collector box. Well, that's not good. Well, we're gonna order another parts. I have a new inducer here. I thought that was inducer. But we need a plastic collector box too. Whole piece. Well, can't run yet. Alright. There's an old one. That's why it's not pulling much of fumes in there, because this is cracked already. Oh wow, a big crack. Yeah. Collector box is a big crack actually. Oh, why do you have the screws in there? Or somebody's trying to touch in there. Oh, there's... Oh, wow. Hopefully we can get something parts on this one. If it's not, I just put the new one furnace in. Just leave that one in there for now. Yeah. There's a big crack. Ew. Alright. Gonna order the parts in. Off the gas. And the power. It's off. Alrighty.